A feather pillow ripped open in our front-loading washing machine. Now the machine won't drain. Can you help troubleshoot?
Hi. I'm Smitty. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. What is the unit's model number, please?
Kenmore front loader model #XXXXX.
I am sorry, but I do not have access to Canadian model information. I will opt out and another expert can assist you.
Okay, thanks.
Hello, my name is XXXXXXXXXX. I am here to assist you. Okay, Event Huff, you have a Canadian model, we can still work through this. Below your washer door, is there a panel the width of the washer and about 2 feet high?
No. We have a newer model. Seems like only access is from the rear.
Okay, well, on the front, do you have like a little door about 3 inches by 3 inches? It will be on the bottom right or bottom left.
No little door. Would it help if we sent a photo?
Yes, if you don't mind, a photo would help a lot.
Did you receive the photo?
No, go ahead and copy and paste the photo to this reply box. Okay, I still didn't get it, but we can work around that. You need to get access to the drain pump because it has become clogged with the feathers. If it gets clogged, it will not drain. If the washer can't drain, it will not go into the spin mode. So again, in short, you need to unclog the drain pump to correct your problem. I am here for further assistance and thank you for your time and patience, Randy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.